Good morning guys, installation of rebar works for the roof slab. So then the bottom slab rebar installation is ongoing. The chamfer rebar also installation is ongoing. So all after the completion there should be checking. That is for the bottom bars installation. Once installation completed, checking will follow. So now they also install the one the support for that is the chamfer bar below both left and right side of the diaphragm wall. If something is found at the center, they can check and see the one the top bars installation. Bottom bars was already completed, so installation complete. So checking inspection was done. So this one is for the top bars for the roof slab. And so after the installation, it is checked layered by layered. And there is also a coupler provided for the extension, because the rebar installation for the roof slab length is only something 50 to 60 meters long with 1.7 thickness by 40 width. So once there is a king post, a rebar is cut, and there should be a replacement of rebars. See the one, how many bars cut should be also replaced at the side. Here you can see that the side of the king post, the rebars are very close to each other. That is because of the rebars that is cut and replaced. That is both sides must be installed. So every layer is checked. Every top T1, T2, T3, and T4. So checking. So once completed, there should be checking. Clear one. Every layer, every T1, T2, T3 have also compensation bars. There's they cannot continue unless would be checked. That is the inspector team, coming to check the rebars before anything else. So every place or every location you can check, then they will continue rebar works. So there are many king posts, so every king post must have the same. There is a replacement bar. The plan is there. So after the checking, selfie is done. That is the top bars installation. T1, T2, T3. So top T1 is the number 1 top bar. T2 is the number 2 top bars. So after the completion, there should be installation of shear link. You see the one that is a shear link. They provided also a walkway. That yellow one is a walkway on top of the rebar, so that you will not be suddenly slip into the hole. So that shear link also is checked, because there are shear links which is not allowed to install, especially when there is rust. But if the shear link is rusty, it should be clean. So the one after the checking, like that, now you can see the rusty one. That shear link was checked and then should be washed with water sprayed with pressurized spray to remove the rust. After the washing, it can be lowered down. That shear link was never lowered down unless it is already cleaned by water jet to remove the rust. See, the shear link installation, it took about see the one, you see the shear link installation continue, it took about 1 day because of it consists of almost 7 to 8,000 more shear link depending on the species. In that case, it almost 8,000 plus shear link installation. So once the other part is completed, installation, it can be checked. You can check the east or west side. So the one after completion, after the checking, selfie is done. If in case there is an opening, there should be a trimmer bar installed. Every layer there should be a trimmer bar. You see the one in between bars, every layer have a trimmer bar based on the plans, how long it will be installed and how big it is. So like that, no? It should be the cut bar, it should be compensation bar. So after the checking, check also the formworks installed, the spacing of the support and the vertical and horizontal stud. The contractor also will supply certificate. It is checked by the PE. Then after the one is completed, concrete is ordered. Once it is arrived at the site, checking would be done. The slump, the temperature, and others documentary prior to the casting. So once it is completed, it should be required that there are at least 6 lorries in standby or 8 because of this volume of casting. There are 2 pump crate, one at the other end and one also at the other end. So you can see the one, there are 2 hose for the pump crate lower down because they casted both sides. So once the see, you can see that concrete check. You can check also that one, the area where it is casted and the area which is not casted, because this casting is scheduled layer by layer. This one is 1.7 meters, so it should be casted 3 times 500 mm per layer. So 3 layers, it should be 1.5 plus the last one 700. So there are also there should be vibrator that will vibrate. That is the responsible to check the 2 engineer assigned and the other contractor engineer and supervisor must check must vibrate the concrete to avoid creation of honeycomb. And checking also the area where cold joint may appear. So my time is up. Time to move out. Bye bye bye. See you next time.